good afternoon, good after morning, or good evening. I'm the Manly Digger, and this is not about metal detecting. It is January, almost February. Tomorrow will be February in Maine. The ground's frozen. I'm desperate to go metal detecting, but today I'm throwing knives. This is a 1950s Malayan, hopefully I said that right, throwing knife. That I got off of eBay. So I'm gonna throw it a couple times and take the handle off because it feels like there's something underneath. And I wanna see if there's like a maker's mark or whatever, because I wanna deep dive and that's what I do best. Also, I got a purchase from Goodwill. I don't normally like going to Goodwill with my wife because she likes to shop. We have our own ways of shopping. But I went to Goodwill with my wife and I found something. Oh, Manly Digger. Oh, Brian, what did you find at Goodwill? That is so cool. I found a dartboard for $6. For $6. This is like a full hardcore dartboard. You know what it's great for? Throwing knives. Yes, sir. Manly Dig out. So one thing I did want to point out is I just threw this the first time I filmed this. It is normal shaped for a throwing knife, but the point, the sharp pointy end, is the only thing that's sharp at all, except for like the sides. So I sharpened the point a little bit. It wasn't sharp when it got to me, but the point. Didn't intend to be punny, but point is there's a billion ways to throw a knife. It's the form, speed, and momentum that you gain when throwing this knife, especially this knife. The other knives will stick regardless. This one, I had a little trouble with. And I learned that you need to be a little bit more precise with your throwing technique with this guy. Definitely with the finger on the spine, or whatever you want to call this, release, but it takes some oomph. Not too much oomph, but it takes some oomph. Okay, as I was. I do have to apologize. Normally I would bend make this view of the knife like a kind of more scientific, but it's cold. I am cold and I'm going, I don't have the umph in me. It is cold in this in my studio. So I'm gonna cut this open right here now without tipping the screen or anything. You'll see. Anyway, good old spare knife. Yes, sir. So, as you saw before, I unwrapped the hand, the hand wrap. I don't know. I undid the tape is what I did on the handle tape. It's called the handle. I undid the handle tape. I could not find a maker's mark. It does have, like I said, I got this off of eBay. It does have some scars, some scarring. You can tell it was used and abused. I like my used and abused knives. It has some surface rust. What I could not find was a maker's mark. But as you can see, it is a decent thickness for a knife. I mean, you can make this knife in anything. It's a good steel. My only complaint off my cheap eBay knife cheap find eBay knife is the point, or where it's sharp. I get it, like sharpening the point, you're just using it as a throwing knife. It's the only thing you sharpen, but it makes it harder to stick into anything, really. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sharpen both sides of the point on each side and see what happens. Yes, sir. Anyway, it's cold. I'm done here. I'm frozen. I'm going back inside. Mainly to go. Yes, sir.